You wake up every morning, go to work, come home exhausted, and somehow, at the end of the month, there's still nothing left in your account. Sound familiar? Here's the hard truth nobody wants to say out loud. Your income is not the problem. Your habits are. In 2026, there are 5 specific money habits that are quietly keeping millions of people broke. And the worst part? Most people don't even realize they're doing them. Stay until the end, because habit number 5 is the one that destroys more financial futures than anything else. We live in a world designed to take your money. Every app, every store, every notification is engineered to make you spend. And if you don't have the right habits in place, you'll stay broke no matter how much you earn. I've seen people earning $80,000 a year living paycheck to paycheck, and I've seen people earning $30,000 building real wealth. The difference? Their daily money habits. Let's break down all 5 starting right now. Habit number 1 is living entirely for today with zero thought about tomorrow. This is the YOLO financial mindset, and it is absolutely destroying people's futures. You buy the latest phone on credit. You go on vacation you can't afford. You eat out 5 times a week because you deserve it. And look, enjoying life isn't wrong, but here's what most people get wrong. Rich people enjoy life after they secure their future. Broke people enjoy life instead of securing it. The shift? Every time you want to make an impulse purchase, ask yourself one question. Is this taking me closer to wealth or further away? That one question alone can save you thousands every single year. Habit number 2 is lifestyle inflation, and this one is sneaky. You get a raise. Great. But instead of saving or investing that extra money, you upgrade your car, move to a bigger apartment, start buying more expensive clothes. Your income goes up. Your expenses go up. Your savings stay exactly the same. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's the reason why people who earn more still end up broke. Here's the RichShift rule. Every time your income increases, save at least 50% of the extra amount before you upgrade your lifestyle. That means if you get a $500 raise, $250 goes straight to savings or investments before you touch a single dollar of it. Do this consistently and watch your wealth grow faster than you ever thought possible. Habit number 3, avoiding investing because it feels too complicated or too risky. Let me give you a number that will change how you think about this forever. If you invest just $200 a month, starting at age 25 by the time you're 65, at an average 8% return, you'll have over $700,000. If you wait until 35 to start, you'll have less than $300,000. Waiting 10 years costs you $400,000. Let that sink in. Investing isn't for rich people. It's how people become rich. You don't need thousands to start. Apps like Robinhood, Acorns, and Webull let you start with as little as $5. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. Habit number 4, having zero emergency fund. Here's what happens when you don't have an emergency fund. Life happens. Your car breaks down, you get a medical bill, you lose your job unexpectedly. And suddenly you're pulling out a credit card with 24% interest going into debt for something that was always going to happen eventually. Emergencies are not unexpected. They are inevitable. The RichShift standard is simple. Build an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of your expenses. Keep it in a high-yield savings account, not your regular account where you'll spend it. Start small. Even $500 in an emergency fund is the difference between a bad day and a financial disaster. And here it is, habit number 5, the one that destroys more financial futures than any other habit on this list: paying yourself last. Most people's financial system looks like this. Income comes in, pay rent, pay bills, buy groceries, spend on entertainment, and whatever's left goes to savings. And what's left at the end? Usually nothing. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Pay yourself first. The moment your income hits your account, before rent, before bills, before anything, move a set amount straight to your savings or investment account, even if it's just 10%. Automate it so you never even see the money. Live on what's left. This single habit is the foundation of every wealthy person's financial system. It's not about how much you earn. It's about making sure you get paid before everyone else does. So there you have it. 5 money habits that are keeping you broke in 2026. Living for today, lifestyle inflation, avoiding investing, no emergency fund, and paying yourself last. Here's the truth. You don't need to fix all 5 overnight. Pick one habit from this list, just one, and start changing it this week. That one shift could change your entire financial future. If this video opened your eyes, hit that subscribe button, because every week on RichShift, we give you the financial truth that nobody else is talking about. Drop a comment below which habit hit you the hardest. I want to know. See you in the next one. It's time to make your rich shift.